Good morning, peoples, and welcome to my channel. Okay, today I'm gonna do two reviews in one. Are y'all ready? Let's get to it. So, today the review is on the blue fruit and vegetable smoothie from Walmart, and I must say it is a 8 out of 10 for me. Like, maybe if I had a different kind of milk on hand, it would have gave me the taste I was going for, but it's still a good smoothie. And the next thing I'm gonna be reviewing is my new little blender. This Magic Bullet Mini works wonders, you guys. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. Um, so there you have it. That my breakfast for today, because I'm not a big breakfast person. Sometimes I just don't be in the mood. So to get the nutrients that I need, so I don't eat so heavy later on in the day, I'm gonna try to stay on schedule and do these smoothies. Okay?